Assalamu alaikum class. As you know that we have discussed the transport system. We are discussing unit number 3, that is about the transport system in plants and animals. We have already discussed the transport system in animals, that was the circulatory system, all the heart, blood vessels, this. Now today we are going to start the transport system in plants. So transport system in plants is called as vascular system of plants. Okay, this is your page number 22 from the book. So actually what happens that the substances move from one part of the plant to another through a system which we call as vascular system. This vascular system actually consists of narrow tubes. These narrow tubes are called as vascular tissues. Okay. So, the transport system of plants through which the substances move from one part of the plant to another is called as vascular system, and this vascular system consists of narrow tubes. We call these narrow tubes vascular tissue. Actually, it consists of two types of tissue. The xylem, okay, this is xylem, and the phloem, okay. Two types of vascular tissues, the xylem and the phloem. Xylem tissue is made up of tubes called as xylem vessels, and xylem tissues actually forms that hard and woody skeleton of the plant. What is the function of the xylem tissues? Actually, xylem tissues form the transport system through which water and dissolved minerals moved from the roots and then to the stem and finally into the leaves. You have studied this earlier in your chapter number 1 that roots absorb water. Yes, so roots have these xylem tissues. Actually, these xylem tissues in the roots absorb water. Then these xylem tissues transport this water from the roots to the stem and finally into the leaves. Now, there is another type of vascular tissues that are called as phloem tissues. What phloem tissues do? Phloem tissue is a tissue which is made up of long cells, and they actually transports the food that is being made in the leaves. You know that through photosynthesis, leaves prepare their food. You have studied this earlier in chapter number 1. Yes, so leaves prepare the food. Now this food move from the leaves to all other parts of the plant through phloem tissues. Okay, the phloem tissue will transport this food to other storage areas of the plant, such as the fruits, seeds, etc. Okay, and all the growing parts of the plant. So this is the transport system of the plant. Okay, and we call this transport system as vascular system of the plant. This vascular system consists of narrow tubes that we call vascular tissues. There are two types of vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. Xylem tissues actually transports the water and all the dissolved minerals from the roots to the stems and finally to the leaves. And what phloems do? Phloem tissues transports the prepared food that was being prepared in the leaves. The phloem tissue transports this food to other parts of the plant, that are the growing or the storage parts of the plant. That's all about the vascular system of plants. Thank you.